So that was the second agenda of our webinar. Now let's move on to our third agenda item, which is an ideal AI curriculum that could be developed for kids. So actually, AI is vast. Um, and to begin with, what we can do is, if we are introducing AI to kids, this is how it should be done. According to me, of course, all of us can devise our own methods. But I think an ideal AI curriculum should focus on introducing, first of all, fundamentals of computers, not how they work, what is inside them, what was in the past. No, there's no need to all those things. Teach them how to type on a computer, how to do calculations on the computer, how to make presentations on the computers, not what is inside the computer system, what is a circuit, what is, all those things are not required these days. Then we have, teach them about various latest technologies related to computers. What has happened in the past remains in the past. Then introduce artificial intelligence. Gradually introduce AI as a theoretical concept to the students and then introduce activities. Then help young learners understand the world of artificial intelligence through games, activities, etc. Make them realize that they have AI around them when they are using Google Maps, when they are talking to Siri, when they are using Cortana for search. Make them aware of their surroundings where they are unconsciously using AI. Then introduce learners to various domains of AI. Start with the three main ones and then gradually move to the other ones. Then encourage inquiry based learning all over. Not then, actually, it should be started from the beginning itself. Begin with inquiry based learning, which is what we are doing these days. I mean, we also do this. What is inquiry based learning? Basically, it is learning by questioning. Let them ask questions to them so that they learn on their own. They find answers within themselves. Introduce them Finally, introduce them to the programming skills through Scratch, Python Turtle, and Python. So I think an ideal AI curriculum should have all these methodologies, or we can say all these ways of teaching kids. Now, what should be the learning outcomes of an AI curriculum? Children should be able to identify and use AI applications in daily life. They should be able to relate and apply and reflect on human-machine interactions and moving towards acquired AI readiness skills. Now, what we mean by AI readiness skills is, communication skills, green skills, entrepreneurial skills. All these skills are AI readiness. So as I said earlier, AI is not just about technologies. It is not only about coding. It is about everything. Then let children imagine, examine, and reflect on all these new skills. Help them unleash their imagination towards smart homes and smart workplaces. How our homes are actually smart these days when we are using latest washing machines, latest microwave ovens, dishwashers, how we are already living in smart homes. Make them aware of their surroundings. Then teach them how to become responsible citizens by understanding the impact of AI on our environment. So, see, there are plus points and there are minus points of everything. Teach them that they have to work towards pluses and not the minuses. Research and develop awareness of skills which are required for jobs of the future. So, make them future ready, as I said earlier. Also, make them aware about AI biases and AI ethics. Now, there was a big question mark on why Alexa is a female voice only, not a male voice. So all these things, all these kinds of questions should be addressed to. They should be able to raise such questions. Then develop effective communication and collaborative work skills. Today's world is all about team building and collaborative work. So they need to learn how to work in teams, how to produce collaborative work, and how to move ahead.